fields. About to check out this Triple F collection car meet real quick at Easton. It's about to be nice. I love going to kind of events like these because it's motivational, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I know you guys want to see some dope cars.
They say I'm moving too fast, they can't keep up. Hop up in my new whip, 0 to 100, man. 3, 2, 1, take off, take off, take off. 3, 2, 1, take off, take off, take off.
That's clean. That's too clean. This is why you want a supercar. You could get away with wraps like this on these type of cars. It's beautiful. Now this is a nice wrap. I think Let's Get Live. He did this one. I'm not sure, but I know he rocks with this dude. On the HREs. That's too clean, man. That's too clean. I like that. I like that. Sheesh. Look at the detail. Look at the details, yo. Look at the details. I rock with this. I remember the first supercar I wanted was a Gallardo. I might have to still keep that on my list. But nah, this is nice. Respect. But of course we got this Murcielago right beside it though. Timeless, man. In the yellow. With the V12, oh my gosh. License plate says thanks pizza. I might have to apply for Donatos because I rock with this. You never have enough power, even with a supercar. You gotta show it off, I guess. That's the thing about horsepower and speed. It's an addictive sport. I love it. Look at all the turnouts, crazy amount of people here. Respect. I think this has to be Will Motivation's whip. Yep. Sheesh. That's crazy. Shout out Will Motivation. I actually had a chance to talk to him a few times. Real genuine guy. I love stories like that when you really work for it. You change your life around with your mind. It's possible. I ain't there yet, but trust me, I'm gonna get there someday. But this is right here, this is the wrap. This is stock color. I ain't gonna lie, I'll keep the stock color. Damn. Woo. This is beautiful.
Are most of these wraps?
Now this is what I want to get into. Ferraris. You see how they're going around it? Yeah, I need this in my life. Goodness gracious. I need this exact spec. Of course we want the Ferrari red, but you know I love this. This is beautiful. Wow. There goes the owner over there. Look at this thing, it's crazy. That's beautiful. Okay, OG. Shoot. Yeah, Ferrari definitely knows how to make their cars. I ain't gonna lie. The Ferrari lineup right here. I actually rock with this now. I've been driving in on Gran Turismo a little bit. I still prefer the 458, 488. But these things move too, right? You know it. Wow. Great turnout today. Great turnout. the old school. You know, it's crazy. Like, still timeless design. We got the flip up headlights. They need to bring those back, but like, this is what I was talking about. Ferrari red. It helps with resale value, I believe. Oh, now this is a good spec right here. Woo. Now that's a nice one. Hold up. No, I'm about to say, I know that's not manual. That's the GoPro mount or phone mount. Look at that. I was so grateful I was able to drive this the other time in Florida. I need it for myself though. Couldn't push it as much as I would like because it's not my car. But yeah, these things move. These things move, y'all. I wanted it in the red too, but they only gave me the gray. They gave me in this spec without the red seats. I'm gonna let them take the photo. I seen this one, these clips of this one going around. This is what you want to do. I'm being honest. He's on the rotiforms too. Yeah, I would want to modify my Ferrari. I don't care. Loud exhaust. This one is gold right here. Momo steering wheel. It's spec'd out completely. Got the sparkle seats. I might have to get those for the FRS. Yeah, I'll rock with this. It's beautiful. Now this is nice. I think this has to be OEM. It's not a wrap. Can't be. I don't know how I feel about the wheels, the color combo, but hey, save the planet in style, I guess. This is crazy. Save the planet in style. Taycan Turbo S. Charging right now. They got a long trip back, I guess. You know they transporting this. They ain't driving this. Now this, GT3 RS. This is the blueprint, the true blueprint of my build. Ayo Carson, sell me this car. Yo, oh, I would look so good in this. Yeah, we need to level up in life. Like, this right stock, you don't have to do anything to this. It's going crazy. Center lock wheels. Look at them brakes. Respect the sticker. Beautiful car. That's a nice build, I ain't gonna lie. Murdered out. Showing off his engine. Got the roll cage in the whip. It's probably fast, but you know, it's show. It's for show. Airbags, most likely. I like it though. These are them crazy builds. Ooh, this might be the new daily. Psych, but no, not even psych. M5. I've been looking for a legitimate sedan. Oh my gosh, look at them seats. Look at them OEM seats. That's beautiful. How you doing? Now that's nice. That is mean. BMW definitely knows what they're doing. They're some big cars, I ain't gonna lie, in person.
That's the end logo. They changed the end.
Nice colors. We got this action over there. I'm gonna check it out. Of course, we got the Audis over here, but For me personally, I ain't an Audi person, but the Aston Martin, shoot. I've never seen this in person. That's crazy. Okay, James Bond. That's me. Now this right here is the old school. Even though this is a newer generation, I'll rock with the old school. The DB9. This is beautiful. Like, these are supercars, but they're so laid back. Good color combination, definitely. That's crazy. I gotta see the back end. Yeah, no, that, yeah. Whew. That's nice. NSX, of course. Love them. This one's nice. This one's definitely nice. Let me got this guy's way. This guy working over there. He's getting them cinematics. This is the classic NSX. This is where it's at. This started off. Oh, he's supercharged. Supercharged. That's nice.
Oh yeah. Well, it's in like the back visor kind of.
Okay, I see you.
Window.
I would take the old school over the new school.
It's just in the back.
Definitely would take it over it. I've never seen that. I've never seen this part open up before. I like that. And it looks, I don't know, y'all tell me. Does the OG NSX look more supercar than the new ones? I think so. We got the Corvettes over there. We got the NSX, we got the GTRs over there. I mean, honestly, I don't really care for the new Corvettes. And I love the GTRs, but it's not my dream all-wheel drive build. This is full carbon. Killer creation. Goodness gracious. Hey, a wrap maybe? If it's a carbon wrap? I'm digging that overtake. Wow. That's me. I like this orange spec one. Wow. I feel like I've seen this one riding around. Oh, the Nismo spec. That's what you want. That's what I would want. Nismo spec GTR. Beautiful. You don't do anything. This is a collector car in the future. Trust me. Look, I was talking about this. It's cool to be different, I guess. It's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Sounds nice. This color spec on here though. Hey, sounds alright. But yeah, back to this. This color spec is amazing. Alfa Romeo. I like this. Oh, see that. I rock with this. This is, see the push start?
Oh, sorry, honey.
No, you're good. You're good. I'm sorry. That's, yeah. See, like the Beamers, they have the backseat big too. These ones are like more compact. It ain't bad, but if I want a 4-seat, I want space. It's a nice blue. Wrap. Oh, they came out today. They got the, I don't know, this Food Line or. Oh, we got a dope wrap for the ladies. Hey ladies, This is, it's a nice subtle color. I like that. Angry. Okay, I'm gonna have to check out that build. This blue though. Woo! I don't know if the camera picked this up. The flake. Dope color combo. I am not familiar with this car. I don't know what it is. I don't know what that is, but we got the old license plate, old milk. All these people got funny license plates. Money brings you comedic ammo, I guess. What y'all think about this? This is out of this world. Crazy build. Now this is the clean ones. Now that's nice. You don't need much for these.
No, but there's one over there that I like.
Yeah, this is the ones that you could resell. It goes up in price, kind of vibe. I heard they're fun to drive. I know some of y'all like McLarens. I'm a Ferrari guy. Wow. It was a good turnout. I'm glad I got a chance to stop by and check it out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay motivated, y'all. This is Rookie Pro Build signing off. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.